All right, let's start speaking part two. And your topic is describe a person you only met once and want to know more about. Please.
Well, I am very friendly person and want to meet different kind of person in daily routine, and I want to talk with people in my work and in parties and in street as well. And I usually forget about people I really met at once, and I felt like not meet him again. And whoever I was traveling in a train, and I remember the person. He left quite mark in my. He left quite mark on me, and I could not help thinking about him a couple of weeks and months too. And he was a businessman, and he was sitting behind me, and he was talking on phone, like some business stuff about e-commerce and cryptocurrency as well. And he was talking about Bitcoin too. And I was feeling bored that time, and my phone was discharged that time, and nothing to do that time.
All
So I just
right, thank you so much. I had nothing to do at that time, so just try to use helping verb or was, were, had very properly in every sentence. And as you are speaking, you need to cover two things: person you met once and you want to meet him. So you say, that is why I would like to meet him again. Therefore, I would like to talk to him again. I would like to discuss this and that.
I'm
So
coming to
connect.
point.
Yeah, you need to do it as you are speaking.
Okay.
Because after 1 minute, examiner can stop you anytime. So if
Okay.
you don't come to that, it's going to be something like that.
Okay.
Now, let's go on. What type of people do you often like?
Well, I like people like me. I'm very friendly and enhance my I meet when I met someone, I want to be loyal with him. So I want to be loyal friend
All
as
right, do
well.
you prefer to meet new people or meet old people again and again?
Well, I want to discuss. I want to express new word and new friends too, but old friends are really rare, and so that's why I
All
prefer
right.
old friends too.
Focus fluency also, right? And when you answer, try to connect your ideas with the main topic. Speak 4 5 sentences, but confidently.
सर
And
कॉन्फिडेंस वीक हो जाता है यहाँ पे
डोंट वरी, सही हो जाएगा इंशाल्लाह.
ठीक
यहाँ का जो प्रेशर है ना,
हम्म,
वो एग्जामिनर में बहुत काम आएगा. एग्जाम
ठीक
एक्चुअल एग्जाम में
ठीक
देयर यू विल बी रिलैक्स्ड. लोग मर रहे होंगे, आप ऐसे खड़े होंगे पीछे
ठीक
हाथ बांध के. ओके.